Alright, let's not lie to ourselves and face the facts. At this point, most pubescent teenagers are probably thinking to themselves, why does photosynthesis matter in cellular respiration? Well, all living organisms need to eat and breathe in order to survive. Photosynthesis is not really just the process that plants go through to get food. It's way more than that. In simple form, it's a process of making food and using cellular respiration to release the energy needed to survive, thrive, and grow. But let's go into a little more detail. The process of photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast, which happens in all of the green parts of the plant, like the leaves. Sunlight is absorbed into the chlorophyll inside of the chloroplast and creates light energy that is used to convert water, carbon dioxide, along with light into glucose. Oxygen exits through the leaves, and the glucose remains with stored chemical energy to serve as plant food. Energy from the glucose molecules is then converted into ATP. If the energy isn't converted into ATP, the plant cannot use that energy to grow. Cellular respiration is the way we get energy from the food we eat. Cellular respiration all occurs in the mitochondria. Once the plant produces glucose, we need a way to convert that food into energy. So the plant then takes the glucose molecules through the mitochondria through a process called glycolysis and turns it into ATP, adenosine triphosphate. You can now think of the cell as fully charged. That energy can now be used to grow. But what happens when the energy is all gone? Well, the ATP is made up of adenosine and 3-phosphate. This is an unstable bond, meaning it can be broken. When broken into only 2 phosphate bonds, it creates ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and the energy is released, creating the needed energy to survive. Then starts the ATP cycle to continue to create that energy. But that's something we'll get into more in high school. And that's the way cell respiration works. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration are a power couple together. Without one another, we wouldn't have a functioning-ish world.